This is the task for the Mechanical Engineering Computer Aided Drawing and Design National Competition, Mechanical Assemblies, which is this fishing reel. So the module is Mechanical Assemblies, the time is 6 hours from start to finish, and you'll be given assembly and part drawings and a data set of given parts, which will be the models. So task 1, you need to create 3D models for the following 15 parts, which are just here, and if you open up the drawings you can see all of these correspond with there. So we've got all of these part drawings down here, and at the end we have the assembly drawing. So number 2, you need to create the assembly, inserting non-modelled parts from the content centre. And then number 3, you need to reproduce the assembly drawing of the full assembly. So we've got the full assembly here, and this is exactly what you need to reproduce. You then need to create an exploded view drawing of the full assembly, clearly showing all components, including a parts list and balloons. So you need to ensure parts aren't overlapping. Number 5, you need to produce an AVI file to demonstrate the full physical simulation of the mechanical assembly. The video needs to be 20 seconds long. The output will be the software model parts, the assemblies, drawing files, and the AVI file. Final animations may be rendered after the 6-hour competition time, up to a maximum of 30 minutes. Final printing may take place at the end of the competition time as well. A maximum of 2 test prints are allowed per drawing. Missing information is to be completed at the competitor's discretion, and all files and folders should be on your desktop, which is named with your full name. This is the important bit again, the marking scheme. So we've got objective and subjective marking here. So for task 1, part modelling, there's 10 marks. There's quite a lot of marks there to pick up. So if you make sure you go through all of these model part drawings at the start, getting all of this information correct, you should pick up a lot of marks. Assembly, there'll be 5 marks for completing the assembly. Assembly drawing, there are 3 marks. Exploded view drawing and animation, there are 1 mark each for objective. There is also subjective marking, so you get 2 marks for the exploded view drawing subjectively and 3 marks for the animation. So that makes 4 for the animation in total and 3 for the view drawing, exploded view drawing. So you can see the animation has got quite a lot of marks as well. So you should spend your time, go through this, making sure you know where you're going to spend your time on this competition, and make sure you read all of this. Ensure you've got a part drawing for each of these named parts, which should all be on here. Well, they are all on here, so just make sure you've got all of them. For example, if you're going to print them out, make sure you've got them all before you start your 6-hour competition. And that's the overview of the task for the fishing reel.